Alright guys, back again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you would please. Very much appreciated. And of course, as we keep on going, we're trying to make this a YouTube channel, trying to make it work. And I've still got to go a while yet before I get enough subscribers to actually monetize the channel. But all the help I can get is everything. You know, thank you very much for subscribing, and much appreciated. As we keep on doing this, as you see, these domes are done. And we've completed this job. It's all done, all domed up, all protected. Got all the treated all the rust. Put the as you saw, the Pebetrol on, then the oxide, zinc oxide on top, and then of course the enamel, which you see, you can just see there. It's hard with this light, but you can see it over there. There, on that one you can see it. The enamel's on, which is protecting everything. It's a sealer, so nothing can get to the paints that are underneath. And of course the Pebetrol is the first coat. Does an excellent job on protecting the steel. And of course put plenty of that on. So yeah, another job done, but that's how you look after the post. That's what you need to do if you're looking to do any of your own posts. That's the method of treatment, that's what we do. And this one, yeah, if all goes well, should get 30 years out of it before she goes belly up again. But then of course all the other stuffs will be gone by then. But yeah, should get at least 30 years. Well, I reckon a good 30 years out of it. From my experience, what do I know? I've only been doing this 35 years. It's alright. Okay, yes, all going well. Taking care of another client, another friend. As all this is done through word of mouth. I don't advertise, I don't do anything commercial to advertise my services. It's all done through other people who recommend me to other people. And of course you only get that if you do good work and follow through. And of course anybody looking to build a business, you've just got to do it. You've got to look after your clients. Anybody has a problem, you go back and fix it. Okay, you've got to look after your clients. That's what it's all about. But here we are, all done. Okay, we will talk to you again soon. Alright, thanks for viewing. Catch you again soon. Don't forget that subscribe button and like button. Very much appreciated. Catch you on the next one. See yous.